Someone to hold me tight, that would be very nice. Someone to love me right, that would be very nice. Someone to understand each little dream in me. Someone to take my hand, to be a team with me. So nice, that would be so nice. If one day I'd find someone who would take my hand and samba through life with me. Someone to cling to me, stay with me right along. Someone to sing to me some little samba song. Someone who's ready to give up his heart to me. Someone who's ready to give love a start with me. Oh yes. You can find me where the city meets the skyline, knocking back the whiskey like it's white wine. Say she finished working, so I buy time till I take her guard off and put it down beside mine. It's fine, we watch the world go by, saw the whole world through my girl's own eyes. And they will pale like the photo size, cause everybody talks truth, no she knows those guys, but who? Really nothing a concern. See the city's on fire, watch the bridges as they burn. I disappeared, now I'm wishing she returned. At the same time wishing I could learn all this paper that I earned. The first bird gets the worm, the second mouse gets the cheese. Trust, and I've been sat down doing this with ease. Too much cheese, someone take it from me, please. Please, can't get up, spine won't let up. Lump in my neck, ain't got time for a check-up. I'm fed up, but what am I to do? I'm worried about you, y'all saying that my mind won't let up, spine won't let up. Lump in my neck, ain't got time for a check-up. I'm fed up, yo, but what am I to do if I'm worried about you? I didn't write a second verse, so I kick it free.
Just look what he's done for me. My eyes are on you, so special. Just look what he's done for me. Are on you, feelings don't do it.